The state of Massachusetts taking new steps to crack down on the spread of the coronavirus. Starting Sunday, the governor announcing today the state will roll back to phase 3, step 1, which impacts local businesses. Good Tuesday evening, everyone. Thanks for joining us. I'm Chris Pisano.
And I'm Jordan Jagalinzer. Governor Baker is also adding stricter mask requirements and asking people to notify local health officials if they plan an outdoor gathering. We do have team coverage on today's announcement and its impact. We begin with Western Mass News reporter Sarah Granelli, who joins us live with what this means moving forward. Sarah?
Chris, Jordan, the governor says ultimately going back a phase means that he's keeping everyone in this state more safe from the coronavirus. Come Sunday, every city and town in the state will be forced to roll back to phase 3, step 1 in the coronavirus pandemic. Governor Charlie Baker announcing the swift change on Tuesday after seeing an uptick in cases since Thanksgiving. He's taking aim at places where people gather.
Well, many of the businesses that will be affected by this are in what I would describe as sort of the entertainment space. And that doesn't make me feel any better about it, but they happen to be businesses where there's a significant amount of contact by virtue of the nature of what you're doing.
Starting Sunday, indoor theaters, performance centers, and small recreation businesses will be forced to close temporarily. Capacity will drop to 40% at businesses like arcades, gyms, places of worship, and movie theaters. Highlighted here, you can see anyone hosting an outdoor gathering with 25 people or more will be required to notify their local Board of Health ahead of time. The Commissioner of Health and Human Services, Helen Colton-Harris, says something like this is already happening in Springfield.
Currently, the Department of Health and Human Services is working with agencies and organizations. We do have forms. We are asking individuals to submit COVID-19 plans for venues that they are proposing. And so this will just be an extension of that process.
Colton-Harris tells Western Mass News this new regulation across the state will help with contact tracing.
The implementation of this guidance, I think, is tied directly to our ability to contact trace individuals who could be in environments that are outdoors or in household settings.
However, the new rollback won't have a huge impact on the city of Springfield. Colton-Harris says that's because Springfield was never able to advance to phase 3, step 2 because it's considered a high-risk community.
The city of Springfield is in a crisis. I am asking all residents and all individuals to please adhere to the non-pharmaceutical public health advice. Wash your hands, watch your distance, and make sure you are wearing your face covering.
And again, this rollback starts on Sunday, and the governor is asking everyone to wear a mask when they're out in public or with people that are not in their household. For Western Mass News, I'm Sarah Granelli.